Hi everyone, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we talk about like how to speak English within some of the days. Like it is the 7 days the challenge for the last day. So we gonna speak like that way. Like how can I say the normal English conversation? It is useful for the everyone because of I'm also the trying to improve my communication skills. The whatever it is a good for me. Like initially I'm also the struggling a lot, so after that I decided I am improve my communication skills. So that's the reason I am the speaking in front of the camera. It is the struggling to the previous day. It is the boost my the confidence. So it is the happen for the everyone because of guys, like everyone have some of the made a mistake. They learn from their mistake. So it is happen for the everyone. So we gonna see it is the 7 days of the challenge. It is the completed for me. Like we gonna discuss on that. So guys, the first day we had the given the introduction. Oh, how to say the what we are the doing that we are also express that. So after that, the second is it is how they express our thoughts in between the some of the people. It is happen for the everyone because of I'm also like initially the the competition myself. So after that I decided, yeah, I will give some of the practice in my mouth. It is the flexible word, so many words. It is the easy word. They came your word in between the you are speaking in front of the people. So that is it express your the routine. The routine it is important for the everyone. The what they are doing, what ourselves they are doing like that way. It is happen for the everyone. It could be the better you are express your thought in your way. So it is a way I am speaking. The fourth day it is a different. Like how to speak with the stranger. It is happen for the everyone because if you went to the some of the supermarket, yeah, you will think after that, yeah, I went, yeah, I could speak the supermarket workers, I didn't mind that. So yeah, you were thinking after that action. So yeah, you can start with like that way. So I'm thinking this kind of the level, guys. So don't waste your time. It is a never they came for your best time. So you were given the best for your self time, I think. So yeah, this I am thinking. So yeah, if you have some of the knowledge, like you practice yourself. So that is the important, guys, because of everyone there are the, like if I speaking the English, it is the good for me like that way. So it is never happen for the everyone. So you put the practice yourself. Don't wait for the perfect time. It is never ever came because of if you searching the conversation some of the friend. So yeah, you can speak with your life, like with yourself. Whenever you speaking themselves, so it is the keep good for the everyone, I think. So it is the best for everyone. They happen for good and the bad. It is a never. I am decided. Yeah, you put the practice yourself. So that is the key, guys. And also the articulating is important because of I'm not good articulating, but I'm also thinking, yeah, I should articulating is important because of so many people are they said to me, yeah, you have the knowledge but you haven't the confidence. So I built my confidence while the boosting the taking this video. So thanks for the watching that till the end. So if you have any doubts, so please let me in the comment section. And also if I any made a mistake, so please let me know. That's also. So don't forget the subscribe and share with your friends. Okay, thanks for the watching. We're gonna see next video, guys. Okay, bye.